Hello everyone, I wanted to come to you today and show you a style that we did for a customer using our Cold Therapy Lock Extension Edition. These are handmade lock extensions, pre-made lock extensions that are 5 inches long. We used this set to do an install for a client. Here you see the client's hair. She has a finer texture of hair, so we did her sections based off of the thickness of her hair and with the lock to base ratio, so that as her hair grew out, that it will support the integrity of the lock over time. She had about 50 locks installed, and it was a permanent installation. We finished it with a maintenance. So here's the completed look of her lock extensions. Again, these are permanent. She got them shampooed immediately after the install. We did a palm roll. You can style them immediately as well. You can color these lock extensions. If you do have any additional questions or would like to order some lock extensions for yourself, please give us a call. At the moment, we don't have any information up on our website, but we will very soon as to how to order these lock extensions, to consult with you about the details of your lock extensions, and even to consult with you to have them installed. So give us a call, 770-627-4366.